Today my name is Harper. We are going to do other craft than last time. So what do we need is Play-Doh, Scotch tape, and a string. So let's get started. So first we are going to take the Play-Doh out. Like there. I think we just need like a little bit. And then this we're gonna use after. So, and then we're gonna do a shape of a head of an animal. You know which animal?
Brother.
It's not a monkey. It's not a dog. It's actually a cat. Okay? So we need to do it as a that. Roll it. And then erase this like that. So one ear. Then this one here.
Like that. They're so cheap.
Like that.
Yeah.
Like that. Like that. And then we're gonna do. So, and then now we are gonna do, so we're going to take another piece of Play-Doh for his body. So, like, he actually needs a little bit of that. And then after we're gonna make another one. It's actually gonna be like a little bit like this, and then we're going to put this on the cat. So then actually spread it like that. Like that. And then I can make another even, and then stick down in like that. And then now I'm gonna make the clothing with the rubber bands. And now I'm just going to wrap it around. Like that. That. And then when that. So like that. Like that, and then we need scotch tape. Like that. Like that. Now we are gonna do the eye. So we need two like that, and then we're gonna crack it in half. This one first. So, and then we're gonna do the eye now. So like this, like this, that, and then that circle. Gosh. And then now we can use the mark. Just do it up, there. This is how the eyes look like. And then now, gonna do the mouth. Like that. Step. What is that? I don't know what's that sound. But yeah, I think it's just a garage. Right there. Now we're gonna do the suit. So it's just like 2 points. So I'm gonna do the cute. Little cute right there. And then the other cheek. There. Like that. Done. And then we're actually finished our cat. So this is how it looks like. So like that.